The results by placing the 6mm nitinol tack below the knee had impressive results both with clinically driven TLR and primary patency. Additionally, Rutherford class significantly improved as well as quality of life metrics. Now, why is this data so important? Because these patients, for the majority of cases, have wounds. They can't mobilize. These tacks help heal those wounds and ultimately decrease the Rutherford class so they don't have pain, they heal the wounds, and they become mobile again. So when someone has a wound, it makes them non-functional. These are people that in the past have been functional. They've been able to take care of themselves. And when their wounds don't heal, they become a victim of the system. A lot of times they're institutionalized, or they take a lot of family burden to help because they can't do just daily activities. So with this tack scaffold, in terms of keeping that vessel open, we're able to heal, not only heal the wounds, but heal them faster. The nice thing about this tack device is that it is, number one, it treats a vessel diameter 1.5 to 4.5 millimeters, which is the size of tibial vessels below the knee. Number two is there's 4 tacks in each sleeve, so you can treat multiple dissections with one device. It goes through over an 014 wire through a 4-French system, which keeps the profile low, again, because the vessels are smaller. The nice thing also is that the tack has low radial force, so it doesn't increase the inflammatory response by continually to press against the vessel. It just props it open, this flap from a dissection. So there's a couple things that I think that are important. The first thing is number one is it raises awareness of dissections with this study, and that maybe we should be treating lower severity dissections than just the high severity dissections. Number two is fiscal responsibility. With the tack system, you could place, say, 2 tacks in one tibial and 2 tacks in another tibial, so you can use one device to treat multiple dissections in multiple locations. Lastly, the tack system, not only does it show great data in terms of primary patency and clinically driven TLR, but also it leaves your options open because this 6mm tack, if you have to come back in the future for a bypass or future endovascular therapies, it leaves those options open.